guys, and we were connected for us really late at night, and our friend Tony, fell asleep on his bed because he was using his PSP that he just wanted to, and we're trying to wake him up. We're going to try to use his dial back. Alright, on the count of three, we all use dial back. One.
I am my computer.
Wait, what?
Let me get my computer. Okay.
Alright, me and Dylan. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, try it again.
You
Try it again.
wake up.
God, this guy is a tank.
Jesus. Joey! Wake up, you.
Cameron, turn your DS all the way up and all the way back down.
Wake up. Joey!
Okay, guys, since we can't make him up, you want to try to make him imagine stuff in his mind?
Oh, yeah. Hello.
Tony, this is your subconscious speaking. You're on.
It's tearing my. It's tearing. Oh, I'm just kidding. I'm wake up.
Hey Tony, it's Lauren. You want to meet me at my house in 30 minutes?
Shut up. Oh, spam. Okay.
This guy is a tank. Okay, Eli
Okay, I
used
just
this.
now realized this face looks like a bird. Sideways.
Hey guys, you want me to play the retard alert thing, see if that wakes him up? You guys want me to do the retard alert thing? This is funny.
We tried to find the Pokemon dubstep song.
Wait, let me try one thing first.
Uh-oh, retard alert!
Okay, that didn't work. Eli, do you need me to send you the link to the Pokemon dubstep?
No, yeah.
Got it. I wanna be the very best.
Oh, this is
Am I still supposed to be recording, or should I have stopped? How can Tony sleep through all this?
That was Tony. I don't know, it just echoes in Tony's mind.
Ooh.
Alright, I got it.
Dollars for the family gold card.
Is this still recording or no?
Yeah.
Seriously? Turn it off.
Eli, you want me to turn it off?
Yeah, sure, why not?